Nothing about this camper is micro. That's why they Mini-Mized it. Mini-Mized it? Is that good? Okay. Comfort, quality, big adventures. Behind me, the 2027 Winnebago Micro Minnie 2200MBH is going to give you all that. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. Let's go see why. So they say sometimes the adventure is point A to point B. This thing is going to deliver that big adventure. Coming in only at 7 foot wide, it grosses at 5,500 pounds, which means a lot of SUVs can tow this. And more importantly, the rugged aspect to it, two 3,000 pound axles match with some nice black rims, but more importantly, Goodyear Wrangler 15-inch tires on this thing. When you get to the campground, it's going to deliver a great experience. You have power tongue jack, as well as both sets of stabilizer jacks are easy with the push of a button. And then, of course, comfort's coming in for me, guys. You know I love patio time. Check out this big power awning with lots of coverage. And behind me here, we've got the entertainment hookups for you. JBL speakers, cable and electric to run your entertainment TV. If your big adventure includes way out in the middle of nowhere, this thing's got you covered. We've got 200 watts of solar panel coming into the 30 amp rich solar controller to be able to run those 12 volt items. Stepping inside this Micro Minnie 2200MBH, very cozy feeling right off the bat. And you can definitely see the quality with the fit and finish. This floor plan is a front Murphy bed with transitions into a queen bed, obviously. You've got a big slide out via the dinette booth, and of course, a set of bunk beds in the back. At the kitchen, we're gonna deliver some big, delicious meals. Starts with your solid surface countertop with the integrated molded sink, high-rise faucet to take care of any of those meals, cleanup or prep. Below and upper, we're gonna have soft closed drawers and doors to be just like a residential home. You gotta have a removable utensil tray. That's a real clutch kind of component when especially if you're eating outside. All your cooking can be done via two different methods here. We're gonna have our classic 2-burner propane stove, and overhead the microwave is a convection and air fryer on top of that. And of course you need somewhere to store all those cooking utensils and stuff. We're gonna have a pots and pan drawer below the stove, 2-burner stove. And then all your perishable items, that's gonna be easy breezy with a 10 cubic foot 12 volt refrigerator. Across from the kitchen is going to be your slide out. As you can see, a big dinette booth for 4 on the slide out, giving us not only just a lot of floor space, as well as elbow space when it comes to mealtime. We can easily convert this into a bed. We'll show you that here in a second. Below me, underneath my butt, I've got a comfortable cushion, as well as two big drawers that really are enormous when you pull them out to be able to stow a lot of stuff. Anyway, if you do need to convert this into a bed, let me show how easy it is. As you can see, obviously, this is a bunk bed model. We have two twin mattresses for the kiddos here. Both sets are equipped with a bamboo mattress that's super comfortable. Each also has a light as well as USB charger ports for those mobile devices. And what is really cool for this floor plan that I've enjoyed in the past, being able to load some big totes, bikes, etc. This bottom bunk bed flips up with a big exterior door from the outside. Let's show you what it looks like. Hey over there. Anyway, wrapping up the backside of the floor plan here is the bathroom. Big, enormous bathroom, especially for guys like me. I'm 6'1". We already have tall ceilings in this Micro Minnie. Then you step in the shower with that extra ceiling bubble there. It gives you 5 extra inches of clearance height. Talking about the shower, full tub surround, as well as a retractable door that just makes it easy breezy, especially with cleanup time. As you guys can see behind me, full length, or I shouldn't say full length mirror, but a very large mirror. Check your hair and your makeup and that kind of thing. But also in the shower is a fold down sink that's really cool, utilizing that space as that's already there. And hot water is going to be endless with the tankless water heater. Front side of the floor plan to wrap up, of course, is behind me. You guys can see your main bed, Murphy bed. I've got a comfortable 2-person, maybe be able to squeeze a 3rd person in on the sofa. I've got end tables for any of your devices and such with lots of storage underneath. But to the side of me up above, of course, we have a nice shelf for plenty of gear up there, as well as hanging closets at either side. But changing this into a Murphy bed is probably one of the easiest I've seen. Let me go and show you how it's done. So this travel trailer is coming in at a MSRP of $53,230. We do have a total length tip to tip, 23 foot, 11 inches. As far as the weights, we're sitting here, the way it's optioned, around just a hair over 4,500 pounds, 5,500 pounds gross weight, giving you about 1,000 pounds of carrying capacity. And hitch weight, for you those that are looking for a certain tow vehicle, keep in mind that's sitting at 625. As far as your tank capacities, we have a 31-gallon freshwater tank, a 25-gallon gray and black tank. So what do you think? Check off some of those boxes, some comfort, some quality, and you can see yourself doing some big adventures. Hope you liked it. Give us a thumbs up. Comment below, because I'm sure there's some questions I need to get some answers out to you, everybody. And everyone, show us some love. Smash that subscribe button. I'm Mikey B with Beckley's RVs. We'll see you at the campsites.